4 ways to prepare your home for sale. Number 1, curb appeal. First impressions are everything, so get the front yard looking tip-top. Mow and edge the grass, trim the bushes, paint if you need to. Don't underestimate the power of a green yard and fresh paint. 2, declutter and depersonalize. Now, I don't mean remove any evidence of yourself or your family from the house, but minimizing pictures that can distract buyers from experiencing everything your home has to offer. Decluttering is largely going to consist of clearing off horizontal surfaces like tables, counters, and shelves. 3, staging. Moving and removing furniture in a way that shows off your home's size and floor plan is going to be key. Now, it can be a little challenging because staging furniture for sale can mean making it a little less functional for living. Which brings me to number 4. Call Team Silva today. We'll help you plan and prioritize what to do and, more importantly, what not to do in order to get the highest value for your home.